Good morning, students. This is Murlidhar, lecturer in chemistry. Welcome to all of you. See, we are started fifth year group elements. In that lesson, we completed. We have seen electronic configuration and also oxidation state, properties of oxidation state. So in this syllabus, you will be having chemistry of nitrogen, particularly nitrogen compounds, chemistry of phosphorus compounds. Before going to discuss their chemistry compounds, we can able to understand the particularly nature of nitrogen and the second element phosphorus of 58 group elements. And I already told to you nitrogen phosphorus family also called 58 group, 52 group elements and nitrogen's family also. Okay, of course, apart from all these, now we are going to understand the anomalous behavior of nitrogen. That means nitrogen can exhibit dissimilar properties from their rest of the elements in its own way. Why nitrogen element or atom shows anomalous property particularly means due to some peculiar reasons. Here nitrogen is having low atomic size, it is possessing high IP value and it contains high bond enthalpy. That means bond diffusion energy almost 941 kilojoules per mole. On the other hand, nitrogen is having more electronegativity when compared with other elements of the fifth year group. There is an absence of d orbital in nitrogen atom. And nitrogen specially forms p-pi bond formation. That means in its molecular state, two nitrogen atom binded with triple bond. Such bond we cannot found in other elements of the same group. Nitrogen is only at room temperature. It is a diatomic molecule. The remaining atoms are tetraatomic molecules: phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Of course, bismuth is a monatomic because it is a metal. Due to these special reasons, nitrogen shows exhibit different physical and chemical properties. Among them, a few are very important. to understand nitrogen phosphorus chemistry, that I will explain along with notes also. Please, students, you copy down. Our topic is anomalous behavior character of nitrogen atom. Nitrogen. In PCA, only nitrogen exhibits dissimilar properties, dissimilar properties with rest of the elements. This is due to just you write down point wise. This is due to number one, nitrogen atom is low in atomic size. And second one, it contains high ionization potential value. Third one, bond enthalpy, bond enthalpy or bond dissociation energy, whatever it may be. Bond enthalpy is very high. That means 941.14 kilojoules per mole. This is very high when compared elements of the same group. Then fourth one, lack of d orbitals, lack of d orbitals in second cell. Fifth one, purely non-metallic in nature, purely non-metallic in nature. Sixth one, it is having tendency, it is having tendency to form p-pi, p-pi bond with themselves or other atoms like oxygen, common sulfur. This is not happens in phosphorus or sodium. Seventh one, high polarization, high polarization of nitrogen atom. It is having catenation, catenation, but this catenation is less than that of phosphorus. That you remember. But it is less than phosphorus. Less than phosphorus more than other elements of the same. These are the main reasons for causing anomalous behavior of nitrogen atoms so that nitrogen can exhibit dissimilar properties. A very important points. Please, you have to note down. I think we can cover all the points, almost of all the points. Reasons for anomalous behavior. So, due to the specular tendency, nitrogen clearly shows exhibits different properties. I give you what are those different properties exhibited by only nitrogen, unlike other elements of the fifth table that we will see now. Okay, students, I want to rub this. I want to remove this. See different properties. Different properties of nitrogen due to anomaly. Due to anomaly. See, in its physical state, it shows difference. What is that? Nitrogen is gas. Nitrogen is gas. Phosphorus is waxy solid. The remaining all are solids. All are solids. The second one, in hydrides of fifth A group, only ammonia is able to form intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular HB hydrogen bond. The remaining hydrides cannot form. Due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, ammonia is a stable at room temperature. It is a dense liquid. It is freely soluble in water. It is possessing high boiling point. All these properties arise due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, unlike other hydrates of fifth group. Very important. Then next one. Here, phosphorus can form PCl3 and PCl5, but nitrogen forms NCl3, cannot form NCl5 due to absence of 3D orbitals. 3D orbitals. This is one of the different properties. Then fourth one. Nitrogen can form negative oxidation state. The nitrogen forms negative oxidation state, negative oxidation state, the range in between -3 to plus. Other elements of this fifth group cannot exhibit such type of negative oxidation. Fifth one, nitrogen trichloride on hydrolysis gives ammonia with biprotein. But the same trichloride CCl3 on hydrolysis gives phosphorus acid H3PO2. Phosphorus acid gives biprotein HCl. So here the case, the main difference on hydrolysis, trichloride gave ammonia, hydrate of nitrogen, whereas PCl3 on hydrolysis gave us acid, phosphorus acid. Here the mechanism completely there is a different mechanism. Here nitrogen undergo anionic hydrolysis. Anionic hydrolysis. But whereas in PCl3 phosphorus undergo cationic hydrolysis. Cationic hydrolysis. So this is the main thing you have to remember. Here particularly nitrogen is able to form hydrates of nitrogen, different types of hydrates of nitrogen. Of course, we know ammonia. In addition to ammonia, there is a formation of hydrazine N2H4, and another one is hydrozoic acid. But the remaining elements cannot form such type of hydrates. See, sixth one, nitrogen forms different hydrates like N2H4, hydrogen, and hydrozoic acid N3H. N3H. The other elements cannot. See students, like this regarding 50A group elements, the first element of nitrogen exhibit same properties with their colleagues, but sometimes it may show dissimilar properties like this, what we have discussed so far. So this is called reasons for anomalous and different properties exhibited by nitrogen apart from other elements of same. So with this we completed nitrogen special behavior. Stop here. Remaining part will continue in the next class. Please subscribe the video, share to the others. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.